Hello and welcome to day 13 of the Inkvent calendar, and I'm struggling to find 13. There is there. So at the moment I'm playing catch up on doing my little painting things that I do with them as well, and I think I've got up to number 6 so far. So let's see what today brings. So Weeping Willow, standard ink. So probably looking at the label, it's probably like a grey greeny colour, I would say, maybe. Let's get ourselves lined up. I did do a painting yesterday. I call it a painting, not really, with the Sweet Dreams ink, and oh my goodness, the smell of that was just disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. So let's see what Weeping Willow is like. I'm hoping that there's no more smelly inks. Last year was bad enough with the one that smelled like chocolate. I really didn't like it. Zoom in a bit for you. Oh, it's not green. Kind of mucky brown with green hints to it. So I think, I'll just hold it up. I think when you separate that out with a bit of water, it will have some green undertones when it's really diluted. I might do a landscape with that one. Oh yeah, the green undertones coming out a bit better on this paper here. There we go. And then just to write the name of the ink. This one does look quite watery compared to some of the others. So Weeping Willow. There we go. So, what day are we on? Day 13. Weeping Willow. And you can just see, maybe you can't. In real life, I can see more green down this side, and the edges are coming up a bit green around there. Probably become a bit clearer when it's dried. Anyway, thanks for watching. There is day 13. See you tomorrow.